tricky line up there now by these roots.
You get a belly out on that one.
I think if we come up our left, sorry. Yeah, that's him. Nice. And disco lights, man. Easy peasy. I'm surprised, like I said, we got off to a really bad start and that truck's made it all the way around somehow. You never know, like them lights could be surging from...
Yeah, they could be.
From, you know, the connection that we made.
I'll just take them off.
Gave her the battery trees open. That was the slowest tumble ever. Oh, I made a friend there, mate. Bloody rock. My way stingy. On to the next trail, see what we can find. Down there, is it? Oop, I'm going to pull over right there. Yeah, that surprised me. I haven't caught a lot today. The trails have been on pretty nice. I normally catch grass and sticks all the time. You want in front of me? Oh, they're chopping all these down there and they got orange marks on.
Yeah, last two. It's a shame for floods, mate. It's quite a nice forest. They're all disease across the UK.
Yeah, Abercorn lost a lot. Spent millions, didn't they? Mm. Disco! Did it stop working then? Or was it just the lights?
No, it was just the lights.
Oh.
You can tap the lights on.
Very funny, man. I'm enjoying the lights. Like hazard lights. Still a pretty tricky route, man, for the James Way route. Is it a toll for this bridge? I'm going to change. I can see a line, but geez. Yeah. It's a tricky one. Oh, nearly. Good catch. Wish I could catch on my feet.
Oh.
Go on, turn it to her. Yes. I get knocked down, but I get up again. No way. I couldn't see, it was too heavy. It was digging. I don't know what attracts us crawlers to the water. There's two things that,
being a kid in it,
yeah,
on.
there's two things that should mix electronics, but
Especially with electrics like this thing.
Boosh, nice. It's definitely doable. See? Easy peasy if you pick a nice line. Ruddy steep. James is doing fine up there. Every time I take them out, they blow me away. If you were sat in here in real life, you'd be looking at the sky, wouldn't you?
Oh. Come on. Oh, it's running out of juice.
Battery change there. Do a reverse pull. Whoa! Try to pull into the step somewhere. I'm going for it. Don't stop me now. Go without the walk up this. I get on steps. Fighting for grip by here somewhere, look. There we go. No. Yes. All the way. Nah. I haven't got a grip, but slip in by here. See if those stock MN wheels do any better.
You going straight up the gully?
I went straight, yeah. I lost grip in 3, 2, well, up there, I lost grip. Exactly the same place. If only there was a tractor at the top with a winch. Go on. Yes! Stock tyres. Should I fall? Oh god, get
That would have been dead.
got a while to go down there.
Yeah. Right.
Redemption.
Do you know where
A back tyre.
Yeah.
Hiya, love. Oof, come up there quicker than I did. I think the gully was a bad line.
It's just bumping back down into the same place. Oh.
I think that's it. Oh no, not again, not again!
That's right.
Third time lucky. You'll benefit from a 20 ampere C. I mean, the stock electronics to get all the way this far, it baffled me. Good effort, man.